We're doing it on Omega. It's like, yeah, that's my excuse right there. My excuse for losing episode 375. Trap Brigade versus Machines. Here we go. Oh oh, whoa, whoa. What did I get? What did I do? 10 key fractal, Nerval, or Kit Nerval, Karis, send Nerval. I think I did 2 for Farajit. I did those 2. Farajit, special. Those 2 for Bear Brum. Draw and put back. Those 2 for Rugal. Add and put back. Setting 1. I thought it was playing Ancient Gears or something. No, it's worse. It's Machines. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna activate Revolt now. Oh, Ghost Spell. Who hard summons Zeus like that? I was like, what the fuck? Okay. I am so tired. I'm going to sleep after this. Game 2, I screwed up so bad. Is it over? Yeah, it's over. Oh. This is where I screwed up. Oh my god. Round 2. Kit? Almirage? No, Kit is gonna dump. Hit me with a Nash. Come on. Best I could do is set that Imperial Order and end my turn. It's gonna dust her. Imperial Order. I think I said it in the Nibiru here, but I And I'm like, well, I completely forgot about this. Shh. There was the Nibiru over there. Both Karises. 2 droplets, 2 Tenkis, 2 wow, a lot of doubles there. Only thing not doubled is this Nibiru and Solemn Strike. Jeez. Well, I thought I was gonna be able to Zeus here, but he summons Citadel and Citadel's effect. He's gonna tribute itself. Wow. And then I'm like, oh, let's activate it again. Like, come on. Stupid. Did he OTK me last? Oh. Should I just went to bed? Which I'm gonna do, but he does have a deck. What is that? 375. This is the last duel of the night. I started off at 1503. I was at 1492, 1480, still at. Hold on here. Let's check this deck. 375. Where is that? 375 right here. Here we go. Ooh, double torrential. Makes sense, he's running the train package with the trains. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.